super comedian and go talk. In case you are meeting me for the first time, a lawyer boy, comedian with too much oil, not your roro, and not your they talk about. You see now we are ready. We are going to Bullshare Radio FM, Naija Comedy TV, Tuale for you. Naija Comedy TV is the TV that is going to cover my show for today for Bullshare FM Radio. Me and my colleague, super comedian Akbons Mr. Talkative, will be chilling with me. He's on his way coming. Then me and I say, and I don't do on my VIP now. And you see somebody covering this show right now, doing the video. It's no Elder Pexi, it's not Elder Pexi. It's that man called David. David's Record Entertainment is the one covering this show. Oh yeah, swallow. Oh yeah.
Part 96. Saragoza. Okay, so waiting there now.
Hello.
Now waiting bring you, waiting carry you come this house.
We'll go find our house rent. You know, 30 euro they complete.
For your own cheap.
How would be your own?
For not be your house rent, I don't find it. Transportation money, condominium money, everything.
Inside radio station. You want keep up your career.
Okay. A beautiful one. They just introduced themselves. So, but what is happening? Where have you been? Where have you been? Because we know for a couple of days now or months you've been touring everywhere. And how did you go now?
We have been doing the Europe tour. Moving Belgium, Spain, France, doing it like just the way we know how to do it.
To do it, and you are doing it. Make you talk inside the phone. You make you not look at me.
Keep doing it just the way we know how to do it.
Now so,
our work the best.
Now so.
In case you don't know, he's talking because we have two comedians here. One is Akbons, the one we hear they talk so when they find house rent money pass, not the Akbons they find house rent money. Now I be comedian, I go talk. They find my house rent money, now make me come Bullshare Radio.
Okay, so how before I talk to I go talk. Boss. How did they see the game? How did they see the comedy if shows here? How did they see them? People they appreciate them or people still not get the deep inside of the event or of your talent. If you organize show, how people they take them? People they appreciate or it left small because you know different Africa, different Europe. Yes. Before you go come, you go think of Gustapaga, you go calculate
condominium
money, aqua no come, you go pay
gate fee.
How
that one boyfriend go see break here.
So how you they see them?
You know, 5 years, 6 years ago, comedy used to be a hobby.
Yeah.
You know, it was not so serious in the African entertainment.
Yeah.
But right now, it's become a full-blown profession.
Yeah.
And people are making it. People are sending their children to school to read theater arts for them to understand the comedy business.
Wow.
Because a lot of people have made fortunes. A lot of comedians have made fame, like Basket Mouth, I Go Die, like Bobby. You see all this professional.
They are really making it big.
You know, it's become a profession. It's what you do to make a living. Not before it used to be.
Yeah.
You know? So now we comedians, we are now serious.
Wow.
You know, because many comedians just come on stage and say, see the monkey call Wakago, the monkey call Wakago. At the end of the day, you're not making any impact. So right now, we comedy, we're rebranding it to move according to the society, like the Ebola virus that came, like the presidential election. We saw the Ghana president passed away. All those things. We're infusing into the entertainment, using it to bring jokes so we can relate to the people. So when your jokes relate to the people, they accept you immediately.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
When you don't make impact, when your jokes don't relate to people, you're still talking about animals, talking about 1980. So people don't. You see yourself sitting down at home doing nothing. But when you can relate, have that spontaneity, you have that virus that can infuse the people. Definitely, you will go places. Accra will call for you.
Everywhere will call for you.
London will call for you. So we're here. We're here in Bolingo FM because of the comedy.
It is Bullshare. Bullshare in Ghana means means promise.
Promise.
You understand? Because we are promised to bring unity. You know, in here, you know, it's not for only Ghana. This station is not meant for only Ghana. It's meant for, because we play all sort of music, we do all sort of programs across Nigeria, boundaries across Senegal. So we are privileged to have you, and in fact,
so I go talk if I tell person I want Bullshare. I tell guys I want Bullshare marry you.
I will promise to. Na so. You don't.
About Ghana,
No,
Ghana get the like lamb the way they drag for lamb.
So for now, have there been any shows? You know, have you performed on many platforms, and how has it been like?
In 2011, I performed for Balotelli, the Milan-based footballer, on his birthday.
Wow.
That one of the biggest gigs. In 2012, I made a concert with Two-Face Idibia, one of Nigeria's biggest.
Yeah, he was here last.
We were together even last month in Reggio Emilia. And right now we're working on our DVD concert.
Wow.
I Go Talk just launched his audio DVD injection, and now I'm working on trying to infuse other comedians from Africa to the Europe soil, because it's two different lanes. The comedians in Africa and the comedians in Europe. You know, because of the things happening in Europe, you have to fuse yourself to the style. So now we're trying to merge the two together. Whether in Europe, you should be accepted
here
the same way. So that's the concepts trying to bring out. And acceptation.
Yes, acceptation. And has there been any challenge since you've started this project? You know, because I know most of the Europeans really love to laugh because of the pressure. You go Fabrica, by the time you go come, your hand, you know, if you even carry phone talk. Has there been any sort of love? You know, when you pass, you see people, you know, embracing you. As I go talk. Has there been any love?
Because yes, there are something like that. Because sometimes, like maybe we are walking on the street, maybe people don't actually know, our fans just call out.
They see you on.
Yeah, I go talk. So I meet some Ghanaian, they come and hey, I go talk. Then not only Nigeria, so
I go talk, you go talk, you don't want because bros, they try to change the question. Because bros talk about challenge.
Okay.
You challenge the comedian. Okay. You crack joke, person not laugh. You go feel cross that area again.
That be the problem. Because you go feel crack joke, you dey see say you dey crack the joke when person for even fall for ground, raise by you see say person dey sit.
He just excuse the face.
Has there been any challenge like that?
Yes, that was about, let me say, 2011, 2012, but now there is nothing like that again.
Because even if you open your teeth.
Yes, now even though you know they understand what we are saying.
Bro, that it do me. It do me for one show. I don't go talk like I crack joke finish it. No. The thing now work.
Nobody move.
But after the show, now I can go meet the promoter. What happen? Now I can tell me all of them are deaf and dumb. They know the
crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the finals two here. In fact, Italy, this is what we are doing. It hasn't been easy to break through entertainment just like London, but promise you, and I promise you, it has been well with us for a couple of 4 years till now. It has been really good. It has really challenging, but we've managed to pass through, and I'm privileged to have I Go Talk. I'm privileged to have a pause here, and we are sharing ideas concerning entertainment here and there, and how to maneuver and make sure we glued. You know, we go make you laugh through your face to your hand. Bam. So
I promise I will give you everything. Who never talk, they give us everything.
So you know you're the one whiskey talk.
I'll give you everything for where.
So now listeners out there, in fact, I will just relax, make we laugh for just 5 minutes, then we come back. So starting with a pause.
You know, say this country, You say this country quickly. Let me man to talk this one. Now, who not get work? Now they crack joke for this country. Me, as I did, so if I see work tomorrow, I go leave this thing. I go talk. No be lie, because now for another angle, let me quickly say this. They appreciate our brothers from another angle more than us. When you go to a concert and you see Samini performing. When you go to a concert and you see Sarkodie performing, or you see Beam Nation, what's this guy? Beam Nation, Stonebwoy performing, you see the guys are like, ooh. But when with a crack joke, I go there, the crack joke, or Basketman, the crack joke, you don't see the same reaction. Girls are not screaming. I ask myself, why? Why do you appreciate musicians more than comedians? Not that these people have anything more than us. Sarkodie, he don't finish school. He Enough in that drop out to 200 level. They pursue. EL for London. EL, you know where work. Now conductor it be for London. Agberu the
slap your ears.
We comedians, we have something. Ali Baba, the king of comedy. He is a graduate at Ekpoma University. You know that. I go there. He get something.
Okay.
Show us love. All these people. Show us love. If not, it will cause quarrel for this place.
Okay. That was our pause for you. I go talk. A quick one. Let's see. In fact, you can just drop your comments. +32 93 I'm not confused for you. 328-706-703. Quick one, then we check out of the studios. I will talk.
Hello. If you get at the shy.
Why the shy?
At the shy, never sure.
But nobody there here. The only way.
In case you are meeting me for the first time, a humble boy, my name is Super Comedian. I go talk.
Yeah, Nokia.
This boy don't need. But shift, now they touch me. You know, say na only Nigeria for restaurants. You go there. You will go buy food. Person go use beans, shop beans. Me I tell you how it happen. I just dey eat hot eba. One man your rush enter restaurants. He say, madam, give me beans, 30 naira. Give me beans, oil beans, 30 naira. Give me momoy, 15 naira. I can't imagine momoy beans. Not be the same food. The thing will provoke me past now when he say give me akara. 15 naira. Now I say, okay, they use beans, they shop beans. He say, my brother, they don't know where turners they follow, they come. Now I say, as I carry my bag now, I don't know as I take run come up for that place, my brother. You know, say now only Europe. Now you go see madman, they wear suits. If you never bite your ear, you don't know say the person not wear. For Nigeria, you see somebody, he go demand, he go throw a cloth. For Europe, they're not demand. Now you say that they go wear suits. They go see they go demand. But you know, no say they demand. They are madness. They get respect. Now only Europe here, you see say two pastors will fight for money for offering. Nah, arrest me now.
You know, so that pastor matter what you talk. So, you know, so only Europe you see pastor. My pastor, I see how they for outside they smoke cigar. What? I see pastor, he smoke cigar. He say, my brother,
Appreciate. I have Rhoda. She says, in fact, I don't know if Nigerians have been blessed with comedy. These guys are really marvelous, and we want them to do more. Italy, we appreciate you guys. And then Samuel, Samuel, right? If I may, in fact, my brothers, if you send message, send your English name. Send, if you from Nigeria, send your English name. Or
they don't cause correct.
Maybe not can cause because I never chop. He say, my brothers, beg una, make you not forget. Say, we here to work and have fun. So make you have fun, and we support you 100%. So you don't say we dey work. Okay, and the last one I have from a Ghanaian girl called Cynthia Yasentwa. She says, I'm listening to you from Como, and I do love comedy. I watch comedy on YouTube, and I go talk. I'm a fan on Facebook. Please let me have your contact.
I go talk.
Maybe you go perform for. So if na Como show, you can contact. But before then, let's have your telephone numbers.
Let them contact you, boss. What's the ratio?
Okay. Like you know my WhatsApp number. Just let me know day and the show. Then I'll contact them with the amount. Then whatever, because you know it's a man for chop.
Thank you.
You know it's a man for chop. Ladies and gentlemen, in fact, they were here late. They were to be here 3:15. We take full 1 hour.
We are sorry for Africa time.
Our share tire less.
But if you like say the train where they come this side, go past different zone. Now so ladies and gentlemen, it has been really a blessed. I have last minute. Mavis. What he says, I am really blessed to have my Nigerian people making Bosch Radio a laughing zone. Oh. Now so we take on. Okay, beautiful people, before we check out of the studios, your last words.
Fine, I want to thank everyone that has supported the movement, that supported the brand, Akboss Mr. Talkative. I want to say God bless you, all my fans in Germany, Holland, Belgium, even my fans in Senegal, even the ones in Libya, Duruku, Agadez. No, I did that for YouTube. So I want to say thank you to everybody that supported us in one way or the other. Shout out to Ogbudu Big Time Entertainment. Shout out to everyone, Mega Point TV. Shout out to Najak Bedu. And big blessing to Bosch Radio for this opportunity. I say may God bless all the crew of Bosch Radio and to the boss himself. Baba, I'll stand up for you for studio. The fans will see I stand up.
One love. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, we really want to check out of the studios to make way for the next program. But remember, anywhere, anyhow, any day you go here, say, I pause and I go talk, they perform, go show love. This is what we have, and this is what we shall have, whether you like it or not, be it without or within. These are the only comedians that are pushing Africa to the map. So let's show love to them anywhere you see them performing. And if you see their hard copy, if I say hard copy, I mean their CDs, try to purchase. You know the cost. How much your CDs they go?
Audio and video, just 10 euros.
10 euros.
Even give you one bottle of beer, you give yourself.
Okay, I say beautiful people, you know what we do, weekend flavor. If God willing, we shall be here again, and I promise to bring you these guys fully 1 hour. In fact, fully 1 hour. So, we're running out of the studios by making party with Jupiter Fritty Sir Accordion.
Oh, life sweet too. That's what people they say they want to kill themselves.
Watch your radio.
This song is sweet.
Oh, this guy try.
He try well.
No time to wait.
He try well.